Okay, so right now we're leaving Fort Fraser Connecting Trail and we're gonna head to Wading Bird Way. Now we came from the right earlier, so now we're gonna make a left turn here, away from the sun. And we're gonna enjoy the beauty of Wading Bird Way. Nice service road. Has a lot of gator crossings and a lot of good wildlife to take pictures of. So let me put the mileage on screen here, what to expect. And how long you need to walk for. All right, so this is, man, look how beautiful this water, the color of the water is this morning. There's a bald eagle, I know you can't see it, it's on the left side of me, flying around, just circling. Very nice. It's very windy out here. This is probably the windiest part of the reserve on a windy day. I have seen a lot of alligator crossings here. And right now, alligators are most likely underwater. They're not banking on the edge yet. Some may be, but for the most part, they usually wait till mid-morning to start coming up, unless they cross over one side of the lake to another. Ooh, it's windy, so I do apologize if you're catching a lot of wind on my microphone. I'm gonna ride this trail a little slow because I don't want to spook any alligators if they're on the corner. And if one happens to cross over, that would be cool. Definitely got beautiful lighting for that. All right, nice. It looks like there's something on the road, not sure. It's kind of hard to tell from where I'm at right now. This might be birds or shadow of something reflecting off a tree. It looks like there's a lot of birds on the trail. That's what I'm seeing. Yeah, there's a lot of birds there. It looks like a lot of vultures on the trail. All right, indication something might be dead, right? We'll see. All right, so to the right of me, there's Marsh Rabbit Run, and I won't be going down that trail. I'm gonna go straight ahead. To the right of me, there's a bird blind. There's a weather station on top of that. I always depend on that weather station before I come out here. I didn't today though. And let's pass these vultures here. I'm not sure what's dead or why they're here. Sorry guys.